Hello, this is Donna from Mystique Easy Crafts. My goal is to show you that any craft can be easy. You just need to get started. And what I hope to do is show you the correct way to do things the first time so that you don't get frustrated. I've been making jewelry for well over 20 years, and so I've gone through enough of my own trial and errors, and I hope I can just kind of shorten some of your frustration. I created this little charm that's going to hang down from one of these hooks that you can put, I guess, on your rearview mirror, or you can put on a keychain, or just dangle it off your purse, or just wherever you want to put it. But here we've got to attach it to this ring somehow. Attach this bead. And I've chosen to use a split ring. And the reason for that is it's a lot more secure when you attach to a split ring than it is if you just had a regular ring. So I want to show you the right way to do this. Now, you need a pair of pliers. These are jewelry pliers because they are smooth on the inside, not serrated. If you only have serrated pliers, you could use this. But the easiest way is to use jewelry pliers, and especially if you have these bent rings, because they're small and they're slender up here, and makes it a lot easier to go into the ring. But if all you have is regular pliers, or pliers that are thick like this, you can do it the same way. And what I'm doing is I'm just attaching these pliers right there where it's open. And I'm going to attach it and put it underneath this piece right here. And you just open it up and move it over a little bit so that you have room. Hopefully you can see that. Have room to put on the bead. So here I go. I got to slide this over a little bit. And I'm attaching the bead like this. And then I can slide my pliers out because I've opened it the easy way. And then I just rotate until there's nothing, the bead is on there securely. Now, here, I'm going to attach it to this separately from this right here. So I need to do the same thing. And then I'm going to show you how much easier it is. You want to do this a lot because you will distort these rings. But it's certainly a lot easier if you have something to open them with. Otherwise, you're using your fingernail, if you're like me, your fingernail splits, and it just becomes frustrating. So again, I've attached it and opened it up. And I'm going to put this hook on there. Once I get the hook on there, I can slide my pliers off. Again, you just rotate it. And now you've got it on there. Then the next thing I do is add this. And I've already, on another video, show you how to open and close just a regular ring. So you can check that out if you're interested. Then I'm going to close this. Making sure I don't have any gaps. Again, I have a video showing you the proper way to do that. And now I have my pretty charm. So now we have the charm, and it's all one piece that you can hang up. So I appreciate you watching, and if you would please subscribe and like and help me get started with my video process, I would really appreciate it. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Thank you.